Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make app icons bigger or smaller on iPhone. This is the useful settings going and adjust as you may find they currently too big or too small. Now it is important to note that it will go and depend upon what the settings is currently set to whether you can make them bigger or smaller. So to get started, go and open up the settings application here. Now in here, you need to scroll down and go and find the option for display and brightness. Tap on it. Now in here you need to scroll down again. You can see the last option here, display zoom. Tap on it. So as you can see, mine is set to default, which means I can go and make my icons, my overall display bigger. If yours is currently set to larger text, you can make it smaller by pressing this default. I will press this larger text and then press done. Now if we go back, you will see our icons are bigger than previous one. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.